Are you looking to upgrade your photography or videography game without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best budget-friendly mirrorless cameras for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator looking for a backup, we've got something for everyone. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Canon EOS R50 is a game-changer for aspiring creators and photography enthusiasts seeking exceptional quality without the complexity. Positioned as an entry-level mirrorless camera, it delivers a blend of portability, performance, and ease of use that's hard to beat in its price range. Equipped with a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor and Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, the EOS R50 ensures sharp, vibrant images and smooth video tracking. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting in low light, this camera performs with impressive precision. For video creators, the R50 offers uncropped 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second and full HD slow motion at 120 frames per second, making it ideal for dynamic content. The intuitive vari-angle touchscreen adds flexibility for vlogging, selfies, or shooting from unique angles. Designed with creators in mind, the R50 supports a range of RF and RFS lenses, expanding creative possibilities. It also features seamless connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling quick sharing to social media or your smartphone. Compact, lightweight, and packed with user-friendly features, the Canon EOS R50 is perfect for beginners or those upgrading from a smartphone. It's the ultimate tool for telling your story with clarity, creativity, and style. Number 2. The Sony A6400 is a powerhouse mirrorless camera that balances performance, portability, and versatility, making it a favorite for both photographers and videographers. With its 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor and Sony's powerful Beyond X image processor, the A6400 delivers stunningly detailed images and vibrant, true-to-life colors. One of its standout features is Sony's industry-leading real-time eye and animal eye autofocus, which ensures razor-sharp focus on your subjects, whether they are people or pets. With lightning-fast autofocus speeds of just 0.02 seconds, you'll never miss a critical moment. For video creators, the A6400 offers 4K recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring high-quality footage. Its flip-up 180-degree touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, while the advanced autofocus system ensures smooth subject tracking during recording. The A6400's compact and durable magnesium alloy body makes it ideal for creators on the go. Plus, its impressive battery life and compatibility with Sony's extensive E-mount lens lineup mean endless creative possibilities. Whether you're capturing action, landscapes, or cinematic videos, the Sony A6400 combines professional-grade features with intuitive controls, making it a perfect choice for both enthusiasts and seasoned creators. Number 3. The Nikon Z50 is a standout in the entry-level mirrorless camera market, offering exceptional image quality, portability, and user-friendly features that make it a perfect choice for both beginners and experienced creators. Powered by a 20.9-megapixel DX format sensor and Nikon's advanced X-Speed 6 image processor, the Z50 delivers sharp, vibrant images with excellent dynamic range and low-light performance. This mirrorless camera boasts fast and accurate autofocus with 209 phase detection points, ensuring crisp focus on your subjects even in challenging conditions. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or fast-moving action, the Z50 captures stunning detail with ease. For videographers, the Z50 provides 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second, with full pixel readout for crisp, high-quality video. The tilting touchscreen is perfect for vlogging or capturing shots from unique angles, and the built-in microphone jack allows for improved audio capture. Compact and lightweight, the Z50 is built for creators on the go. It features a durable, weather-sealed body and a robust Z-mount that opens up a world of lens options. With seamless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, sharing your content has never been easier. Overall, the Nikon Z50 is a perfect blend of performance, portability, and value, making it a top choice for anyone looking to take their photography and videography to the next level. Number 4. The Olympus OMD-EM10 Mark IV is a stellar mirrorless camera that... Number 5. The Panasonic Lumix G7 is a highly capable mirrorless camera that offers exceptional video and photography performance at an affordable price point. Featuring a 16-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor and Panasonic's advanced Venus engine processor, the G7 delivers sharp, vibrant images and smooth video with rich colors, making it a favorite among content creators on a budget. One of the standout features of the G7 is its 4K video recording capability. With the ability to shoot 4K at 30 frames per second and Full HD at up to 60 frames per second, the G7 ensures cinematic quality footage for filmmakers and vloggers. The camera also boasts the innovative 4K photo mode, which allows you to extract 8-megapixel stills from 4K video footage, giving you more flexibility in post-production. The G7's Contrast Detect autofocus system is quick and accurate, ensuring sharp focus even on fast-moving subjects. The fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for capturing creative angles or vlogging, while the 3.5mm microphone input ensures high-quality audio recording. Compact and versatile, the Panasonic Lumix G7 offers impressive features typically found in higher-end cameras. Whether you're capturing stunning video or beautiful stills, the G7 provides exceptional performance, making it a top choice for aspiring creators looking for a budget-friendly, all-in-one solution.